back with another episode of Let's Play Legend of Zelda Skyward Sword. And in the last episode, we actually made it here. We kind of found this, like, skeleton thing. Don't know what it is yet, but let's look. Looking around. I don't know what I'm doing. Ow. My acne medicine is like making my face feel weird. Doing something, doing something, doing something, doing something, doing something. Get that stupid things. Don't know what I'm doing, don't know what I'm doing, don't know what I'm doing. Alright, at this point I'm just looking and being stupid. Go. Alright, let's go ahead and, can't really go this way, can we? I'm still mad because this keeps going out of tune. I was pressing the wrong button. Gosh darn it. Why am I so dumb? Alright. I think now what I was looking for a second ago should show up. Where is it? I remember there being something down there that I needed. My question is, why is it not showing up? Maybe I need to go over there and do something. I don't know. At this point, I'm just doing a bunch of random crap, guys. You know what they say. If you can't do something, just do a bunch of random crap. Oh, there we go. There we go. Now it'll show up. Yay. I don't think I need to bother wasting time with that. I got keys. Da, 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 da. Not what I want. Alright. So we're already over here, so let's just go ahead and go in. Wow! Ah, good. It's going by so good. So far, so good. Why is this going out of tune so much? Like, what the heck? No, I do believe there's a trap over this way, so. Okay, guess not. I was thinking somewhere else. That thing's canceling. There are lots of big time systems here. Did you get permission from Master Thunder Dragon to come here? Like we did? We just about to transport this time stone to Master Thunder's Garden. Okay, bye. Yo. Alright. So basically all you have to do here is just follow this thing. Oh, you have to... I forgot about these. I forgot about how you have to, like, open them up. Like, oh! Oh, please stay away from me. I'm not your friend. You're not my friend. Please stay away. I don't want to be your friends. Please. Oh, please. My God. My God. How many things can there be in one room? Oh my God. Ah! Give me. Give me. Give me. I'm awesome. I started thinking of the Lego movie, I don't know why. I can't go here until... Stay away! I don't want to be your guys' friend. I told you this. And where's the button? There's the button. Ah. This kind of gets a bit harder as you go. I know this sounds kind of have to go on a, like, along with the... Oh, nice save there. Stay away. I don't like you. I said I don't like you. I don't want to be your guys' friend. Why don't you get, what do you not get about that? Shut up. Ha! Sparkles. Alright, now where do I go? Oh! Flash shot. Oh man. Oh! Hey! Alright, hello? Ah. What? Aha! So tired of doing that. I'm not even paying attention to the time. Which I should be doing. But then again, I'm lazy. Wait a minute. Whoa, I'm gonna die. Yes, I see. Alright, I'm just gonna sit here and wait for this. as the stuff goes, it gets rid of the bats for you, so you don't have to worry about them. And they can't get you when you're handling like this, so. Wow! This is kind of a boring episode. Oh. Shut up, Min. Whoa. I almost said Minna. Gosh darn it. You are not my friends. I. No! Ha ha ha! Lucky. Why are you not working? Why are you not working again? Gosh darn it. Like, how many times do I have to say that? There. I see you. Stupid. Oh, these things. Oh wow, they only take 2 hits now. That's cool. Come on, Steve. Oh my god. This takes an unfortunate amount of work. Oh! Oh my god. Oh crapple. Alright, whew. Oh, that's not what I'm gonna do. Okay, what the? Link! What the heck, dude? Oh my god, really? It brought me all the way back here. You know what, guys, I'm gonna have to go, but in the next episode of Let's Play Legend of Zelda Skyward Sword, we will go ahead and finish this. Bye!